Now my mother, father, sister, and my brother, they played your games and followed your rules. My mother, father, sister, my brother, oh yeah, they live their lives of being abused. My father fought all your rules when he was a young man. He didn't know that they were made for food. Who belonged to a lynching clan. Mama stayed in the house, taking care of the kids. And after daddy got lynched, mama had to work for the money man on the hill now. Now mama said to the money man, okay, I'll clean your house. Now that's the same old money man who belonged to the clan, y'all. The clan that took us by. My sister came home from a job and yon a lady's house. When baby brother looked and saw a button ripped from her blouse, the baby brother took his gun, headed for the house. Hey, yon a lady's house. Turned the key in his daddy's car. It blew up from a planet bomb. Now mama's tired, sister lost her smile, and baby brother walks when he walks with legs made from wine. Oh, my mother, father, sister, and my brother, they played your games and followed your rules.